stop what you're doing. You're living like it's 1995 while these 5 Amazon game changers are about to blow your mind and transform your daily routine forever. Ready to see the future? First, the automatic paper towel dispenser. Wave your hand and boom, fresh towel appears like magic. Zero germs, zero mess, zero touching anything gross. It's like having 5-star hotel luxury in your kitchen and bathroom. Second, the magic broom. Throw your old broom in the trash right now. This silicone squeegee wonder demolishes pet hair, captures fine dust, and even tackles liquid spills. In one swoop. Carpets, tiles, hardwood floors, nothing can escape this cleaning beast. Third, silicone dishwashing gloves. Imagine having superhero hands for washing dishes. Built-in scrubbers mean you'll never touch another gross sponge again. Waterproof, reusable, and they actually make cleaning dishes fun. Who knew that was even possible? Fourth, the LED under cabinet light, motion sensor magic that follows you everywhere. Open a drawer, walk past your closet, and instant brightness appears. No wiring, no electrician needed, just pure convenience lighting up your life. And last, the food clip set with pour spout. Seal and pour with zero mess. Chips stay crispy. Cereal stays fresh, coffee pours perfectly every single time. It's the tiny kitchen hack that'll make you wonder how you survived without it. These aren't just products, they're life upgrades that'll make you feel like you're living in the future. Stop settling for the hard way. Tap shop now below. Hit the link and grab yours today. Your upgraded life is one click away. Get yours today.